Hi, I'm Helen from Woolly Chic, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to decrease UK double crochet stitches. So to decrease 2 double crochet stitches together, that's UK double crochet stitches, I'm going to do this at the beginning of the row because I'm going to make a triangle shape. So first you put your hook into the stitch just like you would do with the double crochet stitch, and you pull through so you've got 2 loops on your hook. Then instead of finishing off the stitch by pulling through those 2 loops, you're going to go into the next stitch. So go underneath both parts of the stitch, pull the yarn through the stitch, and then you've got 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn around the hook and you pull through all 3 loops. So you've decreased 2 stitches into 1 stitch. So I've made a double crochet stitch in each of the next stitches, and I'm coming to the end of the row. I'm just going to finish off with 2 more double crochet stitches, and then to make this triangle shape I'm going to just decrease at the beginning of every row. So I've made a chain, and then I'm going to turn, and then I'm going to decrease the first 2 stitches. And to do this, again, I put my hook in, yarn around the hook and pull through, and there I've got 2 loops on my hook. Put my hook into the next stitch, yarn around the hook, pull through the stitch, I've got 3 loops on my hook, then yarn around the hook and pull through all 3 loops. And that's decreasing 2 double crochet stitches together. And the abbreviation for this stitch is DC2TOG, double crochet 2 together. And then I'm just going to carry on with 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch till I get to the end of the row. So let me show you that again. I'm going to put my hook into the first stitch, yarn around the hook, pull through the loop, 2 loops on my hook, into the next stitch, yarn around the hook, pull through, I've got 3 loops on my hook, yarn around the hook and pull through all 3 loops. So that's decreased 2 stitches into 1. And you can see I've decreased at the beginning of every row, and you can see that this triangle is now taking shape. So I'm on the last few rows now. Just decrease the first 2 stitches, pull through 3 loops, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches on that row, make a chain and turn, decrease the first 2 stitches, 1, 2, 3, make a chain and turn, decrease the first 2 stitches, 1, 2, coming up to the last 3 stitches, so make a chain and turn, decrease the first 2 stitches, 3 loops, pull through all 3, into the last stitch, pull through, and then what we can do is we can just decrease these last 2 stitches to make it into a point, pull through all 3, and there we are, we've made a triangle. So to make this triangle I've used the new West Yorkshire Spinners Colour Lab DK yarn, which is self-striping, which is great because there's then less ends to sew in. So if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and look out for more crochet tutorials to come. Thank you for watching.